Okay, the temperatures are rising, as well as the temperature on the second floor of this house, which is actually a very common problem. Today on Healthy Home, we're going to show you how to correct hot and cold spots in your house and how to get more cooling where you need it. Now, when it comes to hot or cold rooms, usually there's an airflow issue or it could be an insulation issue. And when I say airflow, I'm talking about how much air comes out of the registers, specifically in this case, cool air. This is what's called an airflow meter. It's an airflow balancing meter. And what we'll do with this is measure how much air we have coming out of the ductwork in this room, and that will help us to determine, number one, is it a ductwork problem? Or number two, should we be looking at more of an insulation problem? I'll show you how it works. Now this airflow meter works with any smartphone. I've got the application up, so I'm going to press start. A round duct feeds it. Now I'm going to start the test. Now we simply hold this right up over top of the register and we'll see the calculations that begin. This is pretty weak. What we're looking for out of these registers is normally more in the lines of 80 CFM to 120 CFM. So we hit 40 or 50. I'm going to determine at this point that this room doesn't necessarily have an insulation problem, but we're dealing with a lack of airflow, and that's where we want to go downstairs to correct the problem. So if you run into a room that's too hot or too cold, there's usually always a reason. It's just a matter of digging down and finding out what that reason is, so you can correct the problem, stay much cooler all summer long. Yeah, buddy. For more tips and videos, visit our website. Tune in next time, working to keep your home healthy and safe. I'm Jeff Lee.